What is going on, guys? Some Tech Series today. I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download any Twitch apps or games for free, and it's working 100%. And to download those apps you don't need any PC or nothing. So let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you're gonna go to any browser and you're gonna search up twitch.com. The link will be in the description. Just go and click the link and it automatically take you to this page. And after you're on this page, all you're gonna do is just go to the search bar, and you can see there's a tons of apps like Spotify, Instagram plus plus, Spotify plus plus. There is a Pokemon Go app for. Let me just show you. Oh, it's right here, Pokemon Go plus plus. And let me just still say one thing: they all are not signed in yet. They just got re-signed it today, but like the only app is working right now is the Video Star plus plus. They will work like Instagram plus, the Spotify plus plus. They're not working now. It will work like after a couple hours or after 1 day or 2 days. Just be like patient and just wait. The only app working is Video Star plus plus. Let's go there and download the app. Click get right here, click install. Okay, you can see it's installing. It will take like 30 seconds or 1 minute. It depends on your Wi-Fi. Okay, all you're gonna do is just wait. Okay, to download this app you don't even need a CD, like those things. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Make sure you follow all the steps to download this, like any tweaked apps, or you're just gonna mess it up. Just watch this video till the end. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and that's really helped me. It's really amazing. Okay, it's almost done. Let's just wait a little bit. Okay, it's almost done. Wait, when you download like all the tweaked apps, it's not going to show you when the app logo when you download it. It will show you after it's finished installing. Yeah, just be patient. It will show you like this, like green arrow in the circle and black in the background. It will show you like that. Just wait and let it finish installing, and you'll see the full logo for the app. You can see the video stars on my app now. When you open it, it will say untrusted developer, which is normal. Well, that means it's working too. All you're gonna do to trust this app is just go to your setting, and you're gonna scroll down. Wait, let me just show you all the steps. Just scroll down and click general and scroll down, and there's a VPN and device management. You have to get into device management. If you don't see device management, just wait like couple seconds, like 10 seconds or 5 seconds, and it will pop up. And just go there, click this one, the first one, and click trust. If you don't do this, app's not going to open or work like forever. Just do this, and after that just go and open the app. It should work. Click accept. Okay, you can shit ain't sweet. I just annoying ad. That's all the ad they have here. Okay, and after that all you can do whatever you want on this app. And let me see this feature and this premium feature. Let me just show you. Let me just go back and to the browser, and let me just show you. See, it says premium version, and to download this app all you need is 100 megabyte on your iPhone device or your storage. So if you can't see it working, the video star, there's a lot of features, and it's premium version, and like it's lots of people need this. I don't know why, but it's working. You can't see it. And this pretty much how do you download any tweaked apps and games. And if this helped you out, or if it's worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.